Ooh, what do I have here? Plants by Melissa. He's handled with love, protect from heat. Okay, folks. I ordered these from Plants by Melissa online, and I'm about to unbox it. Ooh, this is pretty. In the box to start with, she has the little paper clip and a pretty little. Oh, there's 2 of them. Stickers. I think I'm gonna start sticking these all over my computer, my work computer. And then here's a receipt and a thank you card. I just love to watch Miss Melissa. She's got such a great personality, such a sweet person. Alright, let's see what we got here. Oh, look at this pretty paper. Monstera paper. Alright, I'm gonna have to go get my tripod and I will be right back. Okay. Let me see if you can see me. Hopefully you can see me. If not, I'll have another video with my head cut off. Take this out. She wraps everything very meticulously. She does put a little card so that you can tell what you're getting. This says I am getting Dorayaki a Forgetii Magnificum. I think I said that right. There's actually, I think, 2 of them in here. So, my hair is a mess and I look like a hot mess, y'all, so please overlook that. I've been at the gym all day working. It was a hot day that I had to come home and help my husband in the shop. His new shop, he's prettying up out there. If y'all want to see what's going on, just go to my video and watch it. It's a pole barn shop build. Okay, let's see what we got going on here. No. I'm going to take the tape off. Some little cups. I had another plant I was going to show y'all, but it's in yonder. I'll show it to you later. Oh, pretty. Look at that. So it's coated in. I'm not throwing this in the floor, y'all. I got a box down here. Then to cut the tape off. Melissa wraps everything so neatly. She's very, very particular about how she does her plants, and that's why I like to order from her, because I know that the plants are going to be in good shape. The packaging is going to be pristine, and look how pretty. Ooh. I like the way she's got that. It's not dry, it's just perfect. There's moisture, you can see moisture around the edge of the cup. Again, this is called I hope I'm not butchering this. Doriaki a Forgetii Magnificum. There's several in there. I'm going to try not to kill these. I'm going to put the lid back on it so it can hold the moisture in it for just a little while till I can find a pot to put it in. A little small. Actually, 2 small pots. That's pretty. Thank you, Melissa. Alright, put that one there. And then this one is a philodendron campus portionum. I know that's not right. We'll just call it a philodendron. A campo. I'm gonna put these over here. So look how nice those are. She does such a good job. Again, these are from Plants by Melissa. All you have to do is go online and type in on Google Plants by Melissa. She usually has plants. I don't know if she's doing them every week. She used to do them every Friday. And I used to try my best to get on there, and I couldn't. I would be on there right at 5 o'clock. Well, it's Georgia time, 5 o'clock. We're in Alabama. But I would be on there right at 5 o'clock, and I'd hit those buttons, and somebody'd be done got all the plants. I mean, within, if I was 5 minutes late, all the plants were gone. So I managed to get me a few, so I feel lucky. I love philodendrons. Philodendron and Hoyas are probably my favorite houseplants. That's because I can grow them. I don't kill all of them all the time. Okay, let me get the tape. Cut. Down there, out of my way. I hope y'all could see me. I'm leaning over so I can. Oh, that's so pretty. Look how pretty. Ooh. 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 It's so pretty. This one's got a little crinkle in it, but nothing major. It is a little crinkle. It just needs to unfold. Just needs to unfold. Because it's been in the box. Get all the... She's got me a pretty little steak in there. And she's got me a little butterfly clip in there. It's labeled on the outside, and I have a little stick over here with its name on there, so when I transplant it out of this cup, I don't have to worry about trying to get that darn label off there. Half the time I lose them anyways. I have been downsizing a lot lately on plants that they're in my collection and they're not happy. I know y'all have heard me say this before. They're not happy. Hey, hit the road, Jack. If I try and try to make that plant happy and that plant is not happy, no matter what I do, whether I give it new fertilizer, lots of sunshine, less sunshine, whatever. Usually you can tell when the plant is happy. I mean, usually. Sometimes it might take a week or two or longer. But if it, if you have tried everything you know how to, sort of just, just giving the plant away to somebody else. I have done that before too. And I have taken in plants from people that couldn't make a plant live, and they did fine. But anyways, life's short. If you got unhappy house plants, get rid of them. Get you some new ones like this one. Plants by Melissa. Isn't that pretty? I hope I don't kill it. Philodendron Campasapatino. I don't know if that's Mexican or what. Isn't she pretty? Look at those pretty leaves. Beautiful. Beautiful. Let me clean up my mess and I will come right back with you. Oh my goodness. Oh, I gotta find a special spot for these girls. I can do it. Alright, I'm back. I had to do a few things, but I hope I'm back in focus again. While I was cleaning up a little bit and getting my stuff together, I noticed I have all this stuff sitting around in here, and I know y'all wondering why she got canned tuna and tuna, albacore tuna, and that's my Mountain Dew, Diet Mountain Dew. And Dawn dishwashing liquid and Pampers. This is a whole box of Cheetos or Cheese Puffs. Well, these are for my grandbaby, okay? Miss Melody is in the size 4 Pampers, and she's, she has to have her Pampers, and I help her mom out. I tell her I buy her a box of Pampers, I think once a month. And then I buy wipes about once a month. But she loves her cheese puffs, so that's a whole box of cheese puffs just for her. Well, we eat some too, but. And then there's Mountain Dews and Diet Cokes and tomatoes, and over there I've got green beans, and I'm trying to stock up, y'all. I got me a cabinet coming that I can put over there. Put all my canned goods on, because I just cannot get organized, and I need to get organized so I can have all my stuff in my kitchen, because I have a lot of cabinets. I just don't have enough room, and I need to get organized. So let me get back with my plants. Once again, these are from Plants by Melissa. She grows beautiful plants. Melissa, I love you. You can send me some free stuff if you want to. Anyways, she did send me some free stickers. She always sends free stickers with every order. Oh, this one's iridescent, shiny. And the little clip, I like to use this for in my magazines when I'm looking up plants for plants. Like my Rosebush magazines, and then I also like to use these in my cookbooks. So if I have a special recipe I find, I will clip that little monstera leaf on my cookbook. Okay, here's my plants. I'm gonna put them up close where y'all can see them. Aren't they pretty? I hope I don't kill them. But Melissa grows really strong plants, so I feel really good about these. Philodendron. I think I have a philodendron similar to this one I got from her before, but I'm gonna let it sort of acclimate to where I am. This is my plant room. Besides having groceries in here, I got plants in here. Speaking of groceries, yeah, if y'all tuned in my channel just to watch this video of an unboxing, come back and look at my videos for cooking too. I make some awesome salmon croquettes. You ain't never had any. They're wonderful. So, alrighty. Well, I'm so glad y'all came by to see me tonight. Please don't look at my face. I don't have no makeup on. My hair's messy. I've just been really busy today. And yeah, it's been a good day. Any day that we can get up out the bed and do what we need to do, it's a good day. Don't forget that. So I hope y'all have a blessed day and a blessed rest of the day for me, because it's 10 o'clock at night and I'm doing videos for y'all. But I just like to say, for everyone who has commented, and everyone who has subscribed, I thank you so much. I appreciate it. You just don't know how much I appreciate it. Sometimes y'all are the only people that I have to talk to around here. So I'm glad y'all listening to me. It's been a long day. Y'all go get some rest, and I'm gonna do the same. And tune in tomorrow. I'll have a new video, probably of the shop build, some of that. And then I have a video coming up I'm gonna do where my grandkids and my oldest daughter came to visit. And we went down to Panama City Beach and we hung out in the arcade and went out to eat. And it was so hot, y'all. We did not even go get on the beach. We just rode by and looked at the beach. I don't even know if I had any beach footage on my video. But anyways, come back to see me tomorrow, the next day, and I'll show y'all a brand new video. And I hope y'all enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Again, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. You just hit the little subscribe button, and every time I get a new video, it'll alert you on your phone, and it'll say, Miss Beth's Place has a new video for you to watch. So that's all it is. Don't cost a thing. And you get to see what I'm doing every day. All right, y'all have a blessed night, and I'll see y'all on the next video. God bless.
Hey, how you doing?